Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Have an Acumatica day. Today we're going to be presenting BigCommerce. I'm Anthony working at SIPD and with my colleague here, Eric Rate. Hi Eric.
Hello, Anthony. How are you?
Hey, pretty good, thank you. What about yourself?
Excellent.
Amazing. So I'll let you start with the presentation of the workflow and everything. Then we'll set up in Acumatica the BigCommerce store. Let's go.
Yes. So we are very pleased to show you this integration between Acumatica and BigCommerce. I'll just skip some slides because we'll do another video that will present in much more details the integration between both cloud systems. But today our goal is to, in a couple of minutes, create a new BigCommerce e-commerce website, as well as connecting it to Acumatica. So this is our goal today, and so we'll go as fast as we can, just to prove you that it's not very complex to do, and also it can be done in a couple of minutes only. So just to recap, we have Acumatica ERP cloud system here on the left side. We have BigCommerce, and we'll be able to synchronize stock items categories, stock items. So when you create an item in Acumatica, it will be transferred over BigCommerce, and then the sales orders and the payments can go from BigCommerce to Acumatica. So you have in Acumatica a single source of truth, while enabling the e-commerce platform that BigCommerce offers. So enough with PowerPoint. So just let go back to our Acumatica, and so this is the BigCommerce website, and so we'll start by creating a free trial. So I will stop talking, and Anthony can do the talking, and I will try to be as fast as I can. So
Of
let's
course.
start the timer.
Let's go. All right, entering the email you're going to be using for to connect into BigCommerce. Next step is not mandatory, it's just for information. I mean, this step, sorry, it is mandatory. It's the store name, password, names, and everything. So we'll let Eric do that. The next step is not mandatory, so you could just skip it. For the password, it has to meet certain criterias. It has to be in a certain complexity. There you go. Create your store.
So the story is being created, and so we'll go in Acumatica in a few seconds as soon as it's done. We need some information that BigCommerce will be displaying, so that a link can be established between both systems. There you go. So I'll ask later.
Amazing. So that's the interface of the BigCommerce. This is where you set up everything. We're gonna go into the. Would you like to change the language first? Make it quick.
Yes.
Yes. Since
Uh,
Eric is using Chrome in French, um, in BigCommerce on the website, it's displaying in French. So we're gonna be changing that for you guys to to follow us a bit more.
you can stop the timer for a couple of seconds. So I'm changing that. There you go.
English.
Save. There you go.
Amazing. All
Back
right. Head to
here.
the advanced settings, server settings. Yes. API accounts. Create a new v2, v3 API token. We're going to want to set these parameters all the way to the far right. So it allows communication in between Acumatica and BigCommerce. Amazing. Store name. Gotta make sure to copy the API path. BigCommerce store. Amazing, Eric. Then we're gonna go ahead and create. Go a bit down, yes, and save. Once it's saved, these information will be displayed here, but it also downloaded a file. As you can see down the screen, it downloaded a file which you could put in your files and make sure it's safe. Because these information you're only going to be seeing it once. So as you can see here Eric is copy pasting the needed information. Then he would head to the server settings, file access web dev, and same thing. So he's going to be copying these information all the way in Acumatica. Amazing. The username is the one you created when you connected it first. And the password is given to you. There you go. We're just going to be testing the connection. Amazing. Then allowing these checkbox will allow the information to go through from Acumatica to BigCommerce. So we want to allow them all. Here, everything that has to do with the customer, you have to create a particular, let's say in this case, e-commerce numbering or e-commerce location numbering, just to make sure to sort things in the right place. Inventory, not necessary. Order type, just gotta put in the order type, which you already created. It is the BigCommerce or e-commerce, same thing. Mapping for the shipping. So store shipping. There you go. Ship via FedEx. And that's it. Payment setting, we will allow the test payment getaway just for the purpose of this video. But in real time, you would allow everything or everything you want. Amazing. If you get head to the home and for the shipping, yes, set up shipping and put it at free. There you go. Submit, done. Head back to Acumatica and we're gonna process the information. So open the, yes sir, prepare data. Damn, Eric, you're fast. Then we wanna select, let's say stock item. Yeah, and the price list. Amazing. Prepare. So it is not sending the information to BigCommerce here. It's just preparing it into Acumatica. Then you have to head to process data and actually process this data. So we're going to be processing the Acer laptop computer.
I think I missed. I want to go too fast, so I missed the category. So yeah, let's do it
The
again.
prepared data.
So
Yeah.
yeah, so in order to be able to synchronize the item, we have to first of all um, synchronize the sales category. So now if I go back,
In real time, you would select everything, of course, but just for the purpose of this video, we're doing
laptop, and what I'll do, I'll just select
stock
my
item.
stock item, and I will select my Let's do them all. So you don't have to come here every time that you want something. Uh, that can be scheduled, so you don't have to come here at all.
Okay, by the meantime, we go see our store, Eric. So even though it is under construction, let's say, because the data is transferring into BigCommerce, as you see here, we added some categories, which are the categories we have in Acumatica. As you can see, all computers, laptop or laptop motherboard. Um, yeah, we could try any other. Let's go in electronics, let's say.
Electronics.
Yeah,
Yep.
all electronics. Maybe there's information that was. Oh, see, there's a one information that was transferred, even though the process is still going.
So
So
if I go back in Acumatica, or and I search for, so this is the item, and see in the e-commerce tab, I set the thing to be visible. So of course we could have synchronized the also the images and the videos, but for per this demo we didn't. Um, so that concludes our presentation of how you can uh, in a couple of minutes create the link between Acumatica and BigCommerce and configure it from one point to another, from the products to the shipping and the payments. And now, if somebody would place an order in Acumatica in the BigCommerce, that order would be in BigCommerce. We'll do another presentation with that workflow, but that concludes today's presentation.
yes, thank you, Eric, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day and have a.
Acumatica Day.
There you go. Good day, everybody. Bye.